Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete item from your Roblox inventory. So it's pretty simple. First you want to go to roblox.com, which is the official website of Roblox. Now once you go to Roblox, make sure to log in into your account. After you log in into your account, it's going to bring you to this dashboard. Once you're over here at the top left corner, you can see the three lines. Click on the three line and click on this option called inventory. And it's going to take you inside your inventory. Now from your inventory, you can choose whichever product you want. But remember, if you delete anything from your inventory, you're not going to get your Robux back. It's just going to be deleted. And once it's deleted, you cannot recover it ever again. So you need to keep that in mind, alright? So let's say for an example, I need to delete this Robux like thing, this cap thing. I'm going to click on it. But you can go to bottoms like t-shirt or anything you want. But remember, if it is like the Roblox item like this, which is provided to everybody, you cannot delete it. It has to be something which you bought or something which you created yourself. So once you go into the product or like the item which you want to delete, at the top right corner of the item, you can see the three dot. Click on it. Once you click on the three dot, you're going to see an option called delete. You want to click on it and the item will be deleted from your inventory. Now in my case, nothing is being shown over here because this is the default product of Roblox. I didn't buy it. It was given to me when I created my account. So it has to be something which you bought or which you made yourself. And by clicking on the three dot and clicking on the delete option, once you see it, your Roblox inventory product will be deleted. So I hope you understand how to delete it. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.